Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syasya Sahira binti Muhammad Fauzi and I'm a student from University Tun Hussein on Malaysia, UTHM. For about 10 weeks, I've been undergoing an industrial training at Indah Engineers Sdn Bhd, which provide consultancy services. As for the working environment during this MCO, I've been working from home. So, let's take a look at the company background. Indah Engineers Sdn Bhd is located at Kepala Batas, Pulau Pinang. It was established on 14 September 2008. As for the allowable capital, it has 100,000 ringgit Malaysia and paid up capital for 50,000 ringgit Malaysia. This company was directed by IR Asnizam bin Ahmad. Indah Engineers Sdn Bhd provide consultancy services which range from buildings, road and highways, water supply, drainage, and last but not least, earthwork. Next is organizational chart. It starts from director, which is IR Asnizam, and have two professional engineer, which is Mrs. Hazli and Mr. Zabidi. As for the manager, it is Mr. Amin and have two assistant manager and two staff. So let's take a look at scope of work during my industrial training. First is I will review the document given by my industrial supervisor, which is Encik Amin. The document given was about the project of High Court of Penang and flood mitigation project. Next is I will study every recommendation for the defect or damages that happen on the project. There are several tests conducted during this project, which is as for the High Court of Penang, the rebound hammer and cover meter test. As for the flood mitigation project, liquid limit, plastic limit, and others. There is also a drawing for this project that need to be reviewed and studied. I would study the term and information given by this drawing. As for the next task, I would attend the webinars organized by IAM. This webinar would provide extra civil engineering knowledge that could be beneficial in the future. As for the first webinar that I attend, it is titled as recent trend on the assessment and management of bridges and structures. Second is webinar on the bridging the gap between academia and industry, and lastly, webinar on failure investigation of the geosynthetic reinforced soil slope subjected to heavy rainfall. Last but not least, there is a task about report preparation based on the topic given by Encik Amin. As for the first topic given, it was Electricity Supply Application Handbook ESA, and the second is Hydrological and Rainfall Analysis at Mak Mandin, Seberang Perai Utara.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Terlebih dahulu ingin saya memperkenalkan nama saya, iaitu Muhammad Amin bin Ahmad Zaki Udin, pengurus syarikat Indah Engineers Sdn Bhd, sebuah syarikat perunding kejuruteraan awam dan struktur, di mana pelajar UTHM bernama Syasya Sahira binti Muhammad Fauzi sedang menjalankan latihan industri beliau bersama kita. Okey, dalam video ni kita akan buat sedikit review berkenaan performance Syasya, pelajar UTHM ni. Dari segi cara rumusannya, kita kata dia punya performance memuaskan. Dari segi dia punya thinking skill, dia punya problem solving dan juga communication skill dan lain-lain lah. Okey, sedikit informasi kepada pihak UTHM. Syarikat kami masih menjalankan pekerjaan secara work from home kerana kita belum dapat beroperasi daripada pihak MITI. Namun kita ada memberi kepada pelajar UTHM ni sedikit 1 atau 2 projek untuk dia review sementara kita mendapat kebenaran untuk pergi ke tapak bina. Projek yang kita beri pada ini projek yang kita sedang tengah berjalan dan akan berjalan. Hopefully kita dapat pergi turun ke site untuk beliau menambah lagi dan mendapat banyak lagi pengalaman dan pengetahuan tentang kejuruteraan awam dan struktur ni. So dari segi saya rasa di situ saja, dekat itu saja. Overall dia punya performance memuaskan. So kita harap kita dapat turun ke tapak secepat yang mungkin lah untuk sama-sama kita memberi pelajar UTHM ni lebih pengalaman masa hadapan. Sekian, terima kasih.